Huh?
Hello? Ma'am.
Yep. Sleep?
Yes.
Sweetheart.
Hey, sweetheart.
Hey.
Come here, sweetheart.
Can you do me a favor? Can you...
I'm gonna give you a blanket, okay? Here's your blankie. Give her a blanket.
There's no accident.
Bless you.
Right? No.
No.
He told me to come check on the kid.
Yeah, you can check the kid too also.
On January 17th, 2025, West Palm Beach Police Department officers responded to multiple 911 calls, reporting an unconscious driver stopped in the middle of an active roadway with a 5-year-old child in the back seat.
Ma'am. Huh?
Hello? Ma'am.
Yep.
5-8 Charlie, Echo, Quebec Charlie.
Can she come?
Shot with girl.
Try to open the other side.
12-15, myself and 12-17,
Speak English?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on today?
Boy, ain't nobody going on. Nobody just going to sleep. That's it.
Sleep?
Yes.
Hey,
Sweetheart.
sweetheart.
Hey.
Come here, sweetheart.
Can you do me a favor? Can you...
Okay. How much had to drink tonight?
Huh?
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Give me nothing.
Nothing. I just went to sleep.
In the car?
Literally.
Is your child in the back seat?
You see his green sleep?
The child in the back seat?
No, I went to go pick her up from my grandma.
All right. Take your hands out of your pockets. All right. How much had to drink today?
Don't be scared.
Hmm?
Don't be scared of me.
How old's your daughter?
5.
I'm gonna give you a blanket, okay? Here's your blankie. Give her a blanket.
There's no accident. Bless you. Right? No. He told me to come check on the kid.
Yeah, you can check the kid too also.
Might as well. 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much have you had to drink today? Take your hands out of your pockets. I know it's cold. Take your hands out of your pockets. How much have you had to drink today?
I haven't really had a drink at all.
Your eyes. Okay. Your eyes are slurred.
You can drink to me.
I can
tonight.
drink to you tonight?
Yeah. It doesn't even matter. Like, to be honest, you're asking me if I had too much to drink, and I haven't.
Oh, hands out of your pockets. Hands out of your pockets, alright?
Alright. I'm not.
I'm gonna check your sobriety, alright? Huh?
I'm not nobody to, like, even check nothing. You feel me? I'm not the right person.
Yes, there's a kid in the car. I'm about to perform a 2-1 investigation. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna check your eyes, alright?
You need to get him out or her out as fast as possible. We got a possible signal one in that car.
Alright, so I'm gonna check your eyes, alright?
Yeah.
I need to follow this pen, right? Tip of this pen with your eyes and your eyes only. You understand? Can you keep your hands in your pockets?
I'm not that person.
Alright? Alright, you understand?
Yeah.
Alright. Where are your keys at?
They're with the car.
Okay. Alright. Follow this. We're gonna go left and right, right? It's gonna be with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay? What's your name?
I'm not social.
What's your name? What's your name?
Social.
Stop. What's your name? What is your name?
Social what?
Huh?
Social what?
Soshi? Okay.
Yes.
What's your daughter's name? Check your eyes and your eyes only, alright?
Yeah.
You need to follow this, okay? You can't move your head. Your head cannot sway, alright? You have to take your hands. Okay, good. Alright. Alright? Follow me, okay? You ready? Go. Just a tip. Does that light bother you at all? So we can do it without the light.
Without.
Okay, we'll do it without the light, alright?
Oh, it's okay. Because I don't want you guys to get
It's fine, alright? It's fine. Okay? So you see this, dang, it's just too loud, bro. Let's go over here. Follow me over here, alright? So you see this line on the ground, right? You have to keep your hands in your pockets, alright? Alright, thank you. I understand it's cold and everything like that, but I need you to have your hands in your pocket, all right? All right. So you see this white line, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I want you to take this position, right? You see my hands? All right. Put them by your side like this, okay? So stay like that, all right? You're gonna put your left foot over your right foot, like so, okay? No, wait, hold on, wait. Follow me, right? Follow me. You put your left foot over your right foot like so, right? No, don't start yet. Don't start yet, all right? Just watch me, okay? Just all you have to say is yes, I understand. All right?
Yes.
All right. So you're gonna put your left foot over your right foot, all right? You're still doing it. You're still doing it, all right? You're starting when I'm not instructing you to start, all right? Stay, hands by your side. Hands by your side. All right, stay like that, okay? Stay like that. Don't follow me yet, all right? So stay like that. Watch my feet, all right? So with your left foot over your right foot, right? Okay? You're gonna count out loud. It's gonna be 9 heel-toe steps, right? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, just focus on me, all right? So, with your left foot, right? You're gonna take your left foot off the line, right?
This is my left foot. Start. Right. Start. Right. Start. Right. Start. Right.
Hands to your side. Hands to your side. To your side.
Okay.
All right. Hands to your side. Hands out of your pockets. To your side. To your side. All right, like this. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. So you gotta put your left foot over your right foot.
Left over right.
Stated that they were splitting up and requested units circulate.
No, you're good. You can stop now. All right. Where's your phone at?
In the car.
All right. Just give me 1 second, all right? All right. So this next exercise is called the one-legged stand. All right. You know what that means? So you're gonna take any foot. You gotta take your hands out of your pockets, my friend.
I understand, Bobby, but I mean, I'm not trying to be.
I'm not your poppy, all right? You gotta keep your hands by your side. It's fine. I understand.
I'm not trying to keep nothing from you.
It's okay.
But
All right.
at the same time, I don't have nothing from you guys that I want to evade.
Okay, that's cool. All right, let's focus on the task at hand, all right? You're gonna take any foot that you would like, all right? Do you have any medical problems on your knees, anything of the sort? No? Wait, you started. I didn't say start yet. Just wait, all right? Do you understand what I explained to you?
Yes.
Okay. All right. With that being said, you may begin.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well, you gotta put your hands by your sides.
9, 10.
You gotta start over.
11.
All right, hands by your side the entire time. Like so. All right, go ahead.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
You got your pointing fingers? All right, cool. So, all right, you're gonna lean back, right? Lean back. Okay, cool. Straighten your hands out. Okay, now just look at me, all right? When I say left, you're gonna take your finger, point like this, and touch your nose with your left hand, right? Don't start. Just show me. Just watch, all right? Then again, when I say right, you're gonna take your finger, right, and touch your nose. You gotta look at me. You gotta look at me. Yeah. Touch your nose like so. No, put your fingers straight. Both hands out. Point. Like this. Okay. You gotta put your thumbs in. You gotta put your thumbs in. You gotta put your thumbs in. Alright. Lean like this. Alright. Close your eyes. Alright. Right. Ready? Left. I'm not gonna tell you to bring your hand down, right?
Okay.
Right. Right. Left. Left. Right. Right. Left. All right. Right. Open your eyes. All right. Unfortunately, you're going to be for DUI. All right.
Why?
You're under the influence of alcohol.
Why?
Because you're driving drunk.
I'm not driving drunk.
Give me your hand, all right?
Sir,
Yes.
I'm driving not drunk. Literally.
Okay. Real quick.
No, sir, I don't want to be like disrespectful at all. You feel me? I don't want to be disrespectful at all.
Yeah, that's fine.
At all. You feel me? And that's the reason. Like, I love my baby.
All right. Do you have anything in your person?
No, I don't.
All right.
For what though?
Drive under influence of alcohol with a child in the vehicle.
But I'm not.
You were asleep behind the wheel of the vehicle.
No, I'm not.
You were. I had to take you out the car.
No, I'm not.
What's wrong?
Literally, I'm not. Can you call my dad?
Yes, we're gonna call your dad. All right.
Can you call my mom?
Yes, I'm gonna call your mom. Have a seat.
I didn't even commit a crime.
Have a seat. Can you sit down, please? Thank you.
Yes, but I didn't really commit a crime.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. It's a very serious crime. All right. Have a seat.
How?
You drove. You can't forget that you drove under influence of alcohol. All right?
I
Sorry.
didn't.
You seem like a great person, but just put your feet in.
No, but listen.
All right, I'll listen if you put your feet in. Can you put your feet in?
I didn't.
Can you put your feet in?
I'm gonna put my foot in.
Yes.
But I didn't put in my right intentions, so like.
That made sense to you, but it didn't make sense to me. Can you sit down, please? We're in the middle of a ride. I'm gonna get hit by a car. Can we put your feet in?
I understand, sir.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. 3 legal issues define this footage: the lawfulness of the investigative detention, the admissibility of field sobriety evidence, and the timing of Miranda advisement. Officers approaching an unresponsive driver on a public roadway are not initiating a criminal stop. They are operating under the community caretaking function, recognized in Katie versus Dombrowski, which authorizes emergency assistance without requiring reasonable suspicion of a crime. Once contact reveals impairment indicators, altered consciousness, disorientation, slurred speech, the legal basis shifts. Officers now possess the specific articulable facts required under Terry versus Ohio to convert the welfare check into a lawful DUI investigation. Florida Statute Section 316.193 defines the DUI offense to include any person in actual physical control of a vehicle while impaired, not just active drivers. Florida courts have consistently held that a person found unconscious behind the wheel, with keys present, in an active lane of traffic satisfies this element as a matter of law. The vehicle does not need to be moving. Actual physical control attaches the moment a person occupies the driver's seat with the means to operate the vehicle. The officer administered the 3 NHTSA standardized field sobriety tests: horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-legged stand. Combined and administered in protocol compliance, these tests correctly identify a blood alcohol content at or above 0.08. In approximately 91% of cases, a threshold Florida's 3rd District Court of Appeal has affirmed as admissible in DUI prosecutions. 2 protocol elements carry specific legal weight here. The officer's inquiry into medical conditions before the one-legged stand is a required NHTSA step. Its inclusion directly protects the test's admissibility in court. The supplemental finger-to-nose test, however, is not NHTSA validated. It lacks the scientific foundation of the 3 standardized tests, and a competent defense attorney would target that distinction to reduce the overall evidentiary weight of the testing sequence. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, roadside questioning prior to formal arrest is not custodial interrogation and does not trigger Miranda obligations. Pre-arrest statements were lawfully obtained. Once the officer announced the DUI arrest, however, Miranda versus Arizona required advisement before any further questioning. No advisement is audible in this footage. Post-arrest statements may face suppression at trial. The DUI charge itself survives either way. It rests entirely on officer observations and SFST results, not on the subject's statements. Florida Statute Section 316.193, subsection 6A, makes DUI with a minor under 18 in the vehicle a separate enhanced offense. A first conviction mandates a minimum of 10 days imprisonment and a minimum fine of $1,000. The subject was charged with driving under the influence and child endangerment. Driving privileges were revoked for 4 months. The responding officer receives a B+. SFST administration was protocol compliant, de-escalation was consistent throughout a difficult encounter, and probable cause development was legally thorough. The grade falls short of A range due to the absence of audible post-arrest Miranda advisement and the inclusion of a non-validated supplemental test. The subject receives a D. Operating a vehicle while impaired to unconsciousness with a 5-year-old in the back seat is not a borderline legal question. Repeated non-compliance with officer safety instructions and sustained denial of observable impairment compounded an already serious situation. The West Palm Beach Police Department receives a B, multi-unit coordination, secondary child welfare check, and comprehensive bodycam documentation reflect sound operational procedure. Consistent on-camera Miranda advisement would elevate that assessment. 3 takeaways from this footage. First, actual physical control is established. The moment a person occupies the driver's seat with the means to operate the vehicle, motion is not a required element. Second, SFST evidentiary value depends entirely on protocol compliance. The medical conditions inquiry before the one-legged stand is mandatory, not discretionary. Third, Miranda obligations attach at the moment of arrest. One advisement sentence eliminates an entire category of suppression risk. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.